Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So winters are here and it's getting colder day by day. So you must have taken out your jackets, scarves, stalls, shawls, pullovers, cardigans and whatever you have. So you must be wondering the ways to keep yourself warm and stylish at the same time. So here I have brought some of the stylish and decent ways to keep yourself warm and even more stylish this winter. So let's begin. So this is the shawl we all have in our wardrobes. So we'll be styling this in 4 different ways to keep ourselves more stylish. I'll be sharing some of the stylish and hands-free ways to style the shawl. So basically we wrap this type of shawls around our body and this is a very classic way to wrap around and very timeless way to style this shawl, but at the same time the problem with this type of styles are it's not hands free and even this cat gets dropping time to time. So the first way is the first style is to drop your both the ends on your shoulders like this. You just have to see that the both ends are of the same size at the same level. This. Now you have to take such kind of a belt and you have to take around from your waist and tuck it here. So this is the first style. Your hands are totally free. You can work anywhere you want to, and this is the final look. Okay, for the second style, you have to again take your stall or shawl in half like this, and on this side you have to give a double knot over here. Okay, I have given a double knot over here. Now just opposite to this side, just opposite to the given knots, I'll show you in the closer. You have to take this part over this and you have to safety pin it. I'll show you once again. You have to take this end opposite to the given knot side. You have to take this knot this side over here and you have to pin it. So I have pinned it here. Now as you can see, it just become like a vest. These are the two armholes in which you have to bring your hands like this. And your second style is ready. Totally hands free. Because of this styles, I call this method as a hands free method. Okay, so for the third style is the extension of the second style. You have to take this corner of your stall, you have to place it here and you have to pin it over here. So I have pinned the safety pin over here, and the second step is to take this end and you have to pin it here on the other side. So your third style is ready. Again, your hands are totally free in this and can move easily. अब नेक्स्ट स्टाइल के लिए आप वापस से इस शॉल को अपने शोल्डर्स पर डाल लीजिए, कुछ इस तरह से दोनों को लेवल में रखते हुए। अब दोनों के एंड्स को आगे लाके आपको फिर से एक डबल नॉट मारनी है, कुछ इस तरह से। अब इसको ऐसे क्रिस क्रॉस करके अपने हेड को इसमें से पास कर लीजिए। तो ये था फोर्थ स्टाइल। विद इन नो टाइम हमने इसे क्रिएट कर लिया और अभी भी हमारे हैंड्स टोटली मूवेबल है। सो गाइज, ये थे कुछ हैंड्स फ्री मेथड अपने शॉल को वेस्टर्न वेयर्स के साथ भी ट्यून अप करने के लिए। इंडियन वेयर्स के साथ तो हम सिंपली उन्हें ट्यून अप करते ही हैं और वो बहुत क्लासिक भी लगते हैं, पर जब हम उन्हें करेक्ट आउटफिट के साथ ट्यून अप करते हैं तो ये कुछ वेस्टर्न आउटफिट्स के लिए मैंने स्टाइल्स क्रिएट किए थे आपके लिए। तो कमेंट्स करके ज़रूर बताइएगा आपको ये स्टाइल्स कैसे लगे और इसमें से आपका कौन सा पर्सनल फेवरेट था। तो मैं आपको मिलती हूँ अपने नेक्स्ट वीडियो में, तब तक टेक केयर ऑफ़ योर सेल्फ एंड योर फैमिली एंड बाय बाय।